Bienvenue, Suk, Master French with Vidyansshu. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn about the conjugation of verbs in French. But first, I will explain you the conjugation of verb and why is it important. The conjugation of verb simply means changing the form of the verb according to the subject. The subject is the doer of the action and the tense, that is, when the action happens, for the purpose of ensuring precise and clear communication. It is essential for grammatical accuracy since proper endings convey who is performing the action and when. Communication clarity is very important when it comes to conjugation of verbs. If any student wants to master French, he must first master the art of conjugating the verbs in French. It is the very foundation for creating sentences in speech as well as writing. So we will begin with the conjugation of one of the most important and most common verb in French, that is être. It is an irregular verb and it does not follow any rule or pattern, which is why it is an irregular verb. I will talk about the rules in the video of verbs ending with er, but first I will conjugate the verb être over here. So être is conjugated in this pattern. First, I'll give you the pronunciation. In Hindi, it is être. In English, it is être. Simply means to be. First, we will write the subject pronouns. Tu, elle, on, nous, vous, elle. Je suis, tu es, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, elles sont. This is the conjugation of the verb être. Simply means I am, you are, he, she, we, is or are, we are, again you are, and the last one is these are used for they, plural form, they are. Je suis means I am, it is written as je suis in Hindi. Tu, es, elles, on, et, nous, sommes, vous, êtes, elles, sont. In English, it is je suis, tu es, elle, on, et, nous sommes, vous êtes, and elles sont. So this is how we conjugate the verb être. The pronunciation is je suis, tu es, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, elles sont. Here the liaison rule will be applied. Please repeat after me. Je suis, tu es, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, elles sont. This is the conjugation of the verb être in affirmation. Now we will do the Conjugation of the verb être in negation. The rule for the formation of negation of any verb is in present tense sujet plus ne plus verb plus pas. Sujet is your subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Verb is any verb. Remember that ne is placed before the verb and pa is placed after the verb. Ne, pa means not. One thing more, if the conjugated form of any verb is starting with a vowel, I'll take the example, then you will see. Then ne changes to an apostrophe. So how do we conjugate it in negation? Je ne suis pas. The conjugated form of être in affirmation was suis. It will remain same. Ne is placed before this verb, pas is placed after this verb. Similarly, tu n'es pas. This rule, since conjugated form of the verb être is es with the subject pronoun tu, therefore ne changes to an apostrophe. Similarly here, ne changes to an apostrophe. Nous ne sommes pas. Vous, an apostrophe, et. This is pronounced as vous n'êtes pas. Elles ne sont pas. Je ne suis pas. Tu n'es pas. Elle en n'est pas. Nous ne sommes pas. Vous n'êtes pas. Elles ne sont pas. Please repeat the conjugation once again as well as the pronunciation. Je ne suis pas. Tu n'es pas. Elle en n'est pas. Nous ne sommes pas. Vous n'êtes pas. Elles ne sont pas. This means I am not. You are not. He, she, we, is or are not. I've already given you the pronunciations, so won't be writing the pronunciations in negation. Nous ne sommes pas. This means we are not. Again, in formal way, you are not and they are not. So this is how we conjugate the verb in negation. Only one pronunciation is required here. Net. Vous n'êtes pas. So this is all for today. We have done the conjugations of the verb être in affirmation and negation. I'll take the conjugations in the upcoming lectures also. We will discuss the conjugation of the verb avak, alek, fak, davak, vulvak, puvak in the upcoming lectures. Bonjour, les amis.